My beloved town Coimbatore, which I am returning today after 24 years, traveling all over the country like sir. So I am taking a job here after 24 years. So I am back in Coimbatore. So I just wanted to share some experience I had with Mr. Murugesh and his team. So I first crossed paths with Mr. Murugesh during the COVID era. So I'm right, we were all sitting at home, we were thinking of that the entire team will lose jobs, and we were, in particular, we were in the manufacturing sector. We are selling beverages and weighing scales. We are based out of Bangalore, so that's our product. So we almost thought we'd lose our jobs. Murugesh was sitting in Dubai, so we got in touch with him and we were discussing what ways we can bring in leads to our frontline sales team. So that's how we started. And as I told you, from there we started. From day one, the one thing which we shared common was we had our shared values, simplicity, discipline part of it, and we had integrity and a bias for quick and effective solutions. Like if a lead is passed to us, the moment within the next 5 minutes a call will go to the customer, and we'll ensure that we are there first. And over the years, our conversations, new trends, like coming out with live chat during the daytime, chatbot during the night time, and a lot of AI integration, a lot of ideas cropped up between our team and the Dubai-based team, where we used to have regular reviews. It started with a weekly review, it started with a fortnightly review, then it became monthly, then it became a quarterly, because we were much satisfied with Mr. Murugesh and his team. So today I am thrilled to witness the visionary dream to empower SMEs across Tamil Nadu, and I will say, and across India also soon. And on the eve of, and what more you can ask, because it's on the eve of our Independence Day also. So because freedom is not just political, freedom is also economic. Okay, so and SMEs are the engines of that freedom. So to Murugesh, I don't know whether Maya is here. Maya was a project manager based out of Dubai. Afreen is here. I don't know Afreen is here. Afreen is not here. Deepak, my salute to all of them. And my promise to all the Metaporians standing completely there and there at the backside, to everybody, that we will stand by you in your every step of the journey. Thank you and Jai Hind. Thank you.